If you've ever wanted to ditch the mystery ingredients in store-bought makeup and create your own natural makeup that's totally you're in the right place. I'll be walking through how to make your own blush, highlighter, bronzer, eyeshadow, and more. You'll only need a few simple ingredients, and I'll walk through some of the common DIY natural makeup mistakes I've made and have seen. Trust me, I've made them all. My first bronzer was cornstarch plus cinnamon. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident in making your own natural DIY makeup that actually works. Let's get started. Most conventional makeup is made with synthetic dyes, harsh preservatives, and other ingredients your skin doesn't love. DIY natural makeup skips all that. You'll use mineral pigment, skin-loving oils, and clean ingredients you can feel good about. And the best part, it's customizable. Want a warm toned blush? Done. A cream-colored highlighter that actually hydrates? You got it. Plus, it's eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and low waste. You'll be able to make so many products from just a handful of natural ingredients. Here's just a taste of what you can create. Cream blush that gives a natural finish, pressed or loosed powders in your dream shades, lip tints that double as cheek color, lightweight DIY foundations, and tinted balms. To make it super easy, we created the Simply Earth DIY Blush and Eyeshadow Palette Kit. It includes the key ingredients and tools you need to make your own custom blush and eyeshadow palette. Skip the guesswork and just start creating. And while you're here, don't forget to grab my free cheat sheet. It's packed with different color formulas, blending tips, and more. Hundreds of DIYers have already downloaded. I'll share a link below. Grab it now so you don't forget. Let's discuss the natural ingredients you'll want as you make your own DIY makeup. First off, mica powders. These are one of the ingredients you'll use to color your makeup. It's available in a ton of different shades and perfect for adding a subtle shimmer. Pigment powders create a bold, rich color that's matte and buildable. You'll want pigment powders to create products like foundation and things you really want to match your skin tone. Simply Earth's mineral makeup base. This is a pre-blended base of natural ingredients that will allow your makeup to stay on your skin and feel good on your skin. In your makeup, you'll also want to use carrier oils. Two of my favorites are almond oil and jojoba oil because they are super lightweight. These ingredients will allow your makeup to hydrate and moisturize your skin. You can also add butters to your makeup to help create a creamy texture. My favorite to use is mango butter because it feels really light on the skin. Beeswax and cetyl alcohol help thicken your makeup products. Beeswax is great for creating a protective layer over your skin. Cetyl alcohol will create a very smooth and silky feel to your makeup. At Simply Earth, we use high quality, ethically sourced ingredients. So when you DIY, you can trust what's going on your skin. Let's get to the fun part, making the products. To make a loose powder, all you'll need is some of Simply Earth's DIY mineral makeup base and your chosen colorants. Add your mica powders and pigments until you reach your desired shade. I'll share some exact recipes and formula in my free cheat sheet that's linked below. To make a pressed powder, you're going to use your Simply Earth mineral makeup base, chosen colorants, and then simply bind it together with a small amount of jojoba oil or almond oil. You'll thoroughly mix and then press that mixture into a cosmetic tin. To make a cream-based product, you'll simply melt a little mango butter with cetyl alcohol. You can also use other butters or beeswax as your thickener to create that creamy, smooth texture. Stir in your mixture of pigments and mineral makeup base to your melted oils and butters and let it set. A simple way to make liquid products is to take your mineral makeup base, colorants, and then just add jojoba oil until you get to your chosen consistency. Once you try it, you'll be hooked. It's easy, creative, and surprisingly satisfying. Here's how to avoid a few classic DIY mineral makeup hiccups. Mistake number 1, using too much pigment powder. Pigment powders like yellow iron oxide, black iron oxide, and red iron oxide are super strong colorants. You'll only need a tiny bit to create a bold color that covers the skin. If you add too much or don't mix it well, it can end up looking patchy on your skin. So make sure to start with a very small amount and then add more until you reach your desired color and then mix it thoroughly. Mistake number 2 is not mixing it well enough. If you don't mix your product well enough, you're going to end up with clumps and it's not going to look that great on your skin. If you're making a cream-based product, make sure to add your powder mixture to your oil mixture while the oils are still melted. Mistake number 3 is using the wrong oils for your skin type. My 3 go-to are almond oil, jojoba oil, along with mango butter because these are super lightweight and will work for every skin type. If you have very dry skin and want something heavier, you can try castor oil as your carrier oil and shea butter as your butter. That's going to create a heavier, super moisturizing feeling product. For most people, I recommend going with almond or jojoba oil plus mango butter, as you'll see in my recipes linked in the cheat sheet. Mistake number 4 is if your loose powders aren't staying on your skin well. If that's happening, you'll want to add a binding ingredient like a few drops of jojoba oil or other carrier oil Or you can melt a little cetyl alcohol to bring it together, and that will allow it to stay on your face a little bit better. You can also follow up your makeup routine with a setting spray to help keep your makeup in place. Mistake number 5 is not skipping a patch test. The beautiful color you've created in your tin or mixing bowl will look a little bit different on your skin, so make sure you test it on your skin and then add more pigments and customize your color as needed. It's best to test it on your face so you can see what it really looks like, but the back of your hand will also work. And they often lead to a better result the next time around. When I started out making my own natural DIYs, finding reliable, ethical sources for ingredients was such a headache. And that's why Simply Earth exists, to make DIY natural products easy and fun. Not only do we care about the ingredients we source, we make them easy to use with our DIY kits, recipe cards, and tutorial videos. With our DIY eyeshadow and blush palette kit, you get everything you need to make your own eyeshadow and blush. A perfect place to start with making your own DIY makeup. It's designed by a certified aromatherapist and tested to work. You can also shop our ingredients at simplyearth.com. So what's next? Grab your Simply Earth DIY eyeshadow and blush palette kit, download my free cheat sheet below for recipes and a deeper dive into ingredients, and start mixing, swatching, and creating your own beautiful DIY makeup. And if you make something you love, share it on social media and tag From Simply Earth with hashtag #IMadeThis, and you'll automatically be entered into our hashtag #IMadeThis challenge. Thanks so much for watching. You just learned how to make your own DIY makeup. The things you learn in this video and recipes in our cheat sheet are fully customizable. Have fun playing with different colors of pigments and mica powders to create the colors you want. If this video inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. And comment below what you're excited to make first. Eyeshadow, blush, lip tint? Let me know below. If you want to see some makeup recipes in action, check out our other DIY natural makeup videos. Until next time, happy making.